Welcome. This would be our next class for map locations. Again, we will be covering 20 contemporary topics for map location. Now, the most important thing here would be I would also request you to send feedbacks on the map location, and also if you feel there is specific topic we need to cover for map location, you are more than welcome to drop us in the comments below. So, we will cover those at the earliest. So, let's start with the first location. Now, the first location that's important for today was the Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway. It is again a super communication expressway that has been built up, and it would be connecting the cities of Mumbai, Nasik, Dhule, Jalgaon, Akola, Amravati, and finally Nagpur. So this would be the path for the Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway, and it has been estimated that 46,000 crore would be invested under this project to connect Mumbai to Nagpur under this superhighway. The next location is recently IIT Dharwad has been inaugurated. IIT Dharwad has been inaugurated in Karnataka. There are 4 other IITs which have been given a nod. So those are IIT Jammu, Bhilai in Chhattisgarh, and then IIT Goa. The next location is Khajuraho. Khajuraho lies in Madhya Pradesh. In Khajuraho, recently a 2 days BRICS summit convention was held, which was related to tourism. And Khajuraho was chosen as a center because Khajuraho is a UNESCO heritage site. We have covered the list of all the major heritage sites in the map location book, so you can refer those. So all the recent all the current natural heritage sites, including the latest ones, have been updated under the map there, so you can refer those. So Khajuraho, you had the BRICS summit which was related to tourism. The next is, the next 2 dams were in news mainly because of the Kaveri dispute. So those include the Kabini Dam on river Kabini and the Krishnaraj Sagar Dam. So both of these dams were in news because of the recent Kaveri dispute that was taking place. And the Kabini Dam lies in Mysore. Krishnaraj Sagar Dam again lies in Mysore. On the lower side of the Krishnaraj Sagar Dam, you have the Brindavan Gardens which are located, and both of these were in news related to the Kaveri dispute that was recently happening. The next is the Reunion Island. Now this is not a part of Indian mainland, but this is a part of Indian Ocean, so I have included this as a news. This was a news because the recent solar eclipse was seen at the Reunion Island, and it was at Reunion Island that the ring of fire was seen. When you have the total solar eclipse, you have the ring of fire formation. So the ring of fire formation took place, and that happened at the Reunion Island in the Indian Ocean region. So however, not a part of India mainland. This is important. The next is Charo Island. Charo Island is an island of Goa. Again, in the map series, we have included all the major islands of India, the most famous ones and the kind of uncommon ones. Now, Charo Island was in news recently. This is located in Goa. In Goa, recently in November, you have a bird summit that is being trying to held there. And this island is the region where you have the Salim Ali's bird sanctuary. Salim Ali was one of the most famous ornithologists, and he did a lot of works on bird. So his sanctuary has been established at this island, and you have a recent session that has been going on, that will be going on in November in this island. The next location is Khavda. Khavda is located in the Kutch region of Gujarat. Recently, the anti-terrorist squad, the ATS squad, arrested 2 suspects which were moving into the region, and it was in news because of the defense purpose. Now, considering the higher defense issues these days, we have also incorporated a complete section on defense and missile technologies and the major map locations for the same in the map series. So you must refer those, because all the strategically important locations have become important for the map location this year. The next is Telangana. You had the existing districts, and there were nearly 15 districts that were added or have been declared to be added in this region. So I have the list of the 15 districts. Now what is important to know here is you must know all the 15 names, because you could be asked any name, for example Jagithalaya. So Jagithalaya would be a new district which is now a part of Telangana. So you must be sure of all the 15 names that I have mentioned here. These would also be available at the doorsteptutor.com. So you have the map locations there where we would be incorporating all the important highlights of the GS based maps and the past papers. Now next is Chengalpettu was in news because you have a Medipark which has been established in this region, and this Medipark is one of its kind which is being established in Tamil Nadu. So this was important. Now next, now these are the major places which were awarded the Cleanliness Award. So some of those are the common ones you must have heard of. So you have the Rani Ki Vav, that's again a UNESCO heritage site. Surat railway station, then Pune, Sindhudurg in Maharashtra. You have the Mysore and the Chandigarh Municipal Corporation, then the PGI Chandigarh. You have Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, KV Dehradun, NCC office and Gangtok. So these were the regions which were awarded the Cleanliness Award for 2016. Next location, Yarlung Zangbo River. Now Yarlung Zangbo River, however, not lies in India, but it is a tributary of Brahmaputra, and this tributary is fed by Xiaobo River in China, and what China is planning to establish is the Lahaobo HEP power or the hydroelectric power station here. So Lahala hydroelectric power station would be established and on the Xiaobo River, and it is planning to stop waters to Yarlung Zangbo River, which would ultimately impact the flow of water in the Brahmaputra River. So this was in news, although not part of the mainland China, it is indirectly related to the Indian continent, so it's important. The next is Baikunthpur forest region. Now Baikunthpur forest region, the forest officials from this region arrested recently people with snake who were kind of smuggling snake venom in Siliguri. So Siliguri and Baikunthpur forest region both are important, and they were in news because of the recent seizing of the huge amount of snake venom from the forest areas. The next is National Highway 31. National Highway 31 runs from Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. This was in news recently because this highway would open borders for Nepal and Bhutan for kind of smuggling region in this area. So this came in news recently. So National Highway 31 is important. The next is Gurugram. Gurgaon has been renamed as Gurugram. So this is the new name for Gurgaon. The next is Gumthal Garhu. Now Gumthal Garhu is a village which lies in Pehova in Kurukshetra. Now Pehova in Kurukshetra in Haryana. So Gumthal Garhu is one of its first village in Haryana to be Wi-Fi hotspot, and it would be the first village of its kind where you would have internet facilities which would be available to the rural people. The next is Sindhudurg. Sindhudurg lies in Maharashtra. Now Sindhudurg was declared as one of the cleanest districts of India. Besides Sindhudurg, there were some other, the other ones that were declared was Nadia in West Bengal. Then you have East Midnapur, again in West Bengal, and finally you had Satara in Maharashtra. So two states were in limelight for cleanliness, that's Maharashtra and West Bengal. So Nadia and East Midnapur in West Bengal and Satara and Sindhudurg in Maharashtra. The next is Jamnagar. Jamnagar was the region where Sony project was inaugurated. We have already covered the lecture on Sony Yojana, so you can refer that lecture for more details about Sony. But Sony was inaugurated in the Jamnagar region. So Jamnagar in Gujarat is important. Now next is Donja. Donja is in Osmanabad. in Maharashtra. Now this region is a region that suffer from severe droughts, and it has come into news recently because this village has been adopted by Sachin Tendulkar under the Adarsh Gram Yojana, the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, which was started in 2014. So Sachin Tendulkar adopted this village under the scheme. So this village lies in Maharashtra. Now Mukra Khas, this is important because Shashi Malik, who won the first medal in Olympics from India, hails from this region, and Mukra Khas is a village in Rohtak region of Haryana. So again, this was in news recently and it's important. So with this we cover today's 20 important locations. We'll be covering another class where we'll be taking more important map locations which are contemporary. You can subscribe to our channel for further updates. Have a good day ahead.